Hey folks, I have a Milwaukee Packout system. It's a set of mounts that interlock that you can use on walls in a building or on the sides of a vehicle. Instructions say if you're going to use them in a vehicle, mount them vertically side by side. You're going to have forces going back and forth when you're driving. But you can see each piece has a little indentation on one side and a protrusion on another. There's also this little lip, so you can assemble them any way you want to. However your workspace wants to be configured. And you can see they have holes here for you to drill. Put up to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's no screws included. It's a mounting plate. And what makes it special is that they're made from Milwaukee tools. Like this magnetic dish that holds screws has a set of grooves here that are designed to fit in here. And other tools like drills, batteries, whatever. There's lots of little compartments you can get here. So this is Milwaukee specific brand. I really enjoy these magnetic dishes. I'm not sure I can use all of these plates, wall mounts, but I use these constantly to hold my parts. Doesn't hold aluminum parts, but almost anything else that's magnetic. Yeah, very simple. It's not universal, but if you're in the Milwaukee business, those are their tools. Good product. They're going to stay. Pretty cool.